Okay, here we go with the large on-point square in the border and into the piecing. It's been divided out in other videos. Right now I'm coming in at 1/2 inch. Now I'm finding the center. You may want to watch this a couple of times, but I'm finding the center. Now I'm going to bring in my quick mark curve. That's one line and then 1/2 inch away and then 1/4 inch. I'm going to do that in each one of the quarters. I showed earlier that I am using a Dritz Disappearing Purple marker. You can find that on my website, judymadsen.com, as well as the rulers. Now, using that straight ruler, I'm going to use the point of the on-point square inside to draw out the lines, including to the center. So you can see how dividing out the space really makes a difference. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a curve into each one of these areas, giving a little added detail. Now I'm coming in with the rails, so it's 1/4 inch and then 1/2 inch, then 1/4, and then I'm adding 1/2 inch spacing between each one of these. And it's very similar to the smaller block, but this is the design that I based the smaller block on. So slow down, pause it, take a look at it to help you draw your own, but it's pretty straightforward. Inside of the arches, I am doing 1/4 inch lines from the center. Again, I like to draw everything out. And then on the outside of this, I am doing those hourglass blocks. Just drawing those out. Okay, now we'll go ahead and quilt. This is my last video with the quilting on the left side of the machine, since I've discovered it's better on the other side. I'm grabbing those big lines, then I'll come out and get those half square, well, they're not half square triangles, but they are the hourglass blocks that I really love to use in the backgrounds. So just filling up the opposite areas with fillers, free motion fillers. I just like to go over my lines a couple times, really defines it. I want to catch this other line because it's a long one and my machine likes to go left to right. So I started over again, and now I can come in and catch each little area. So quick little fast fillers, and then I'm catching each one of those lines twice. But at the same time, in between the arches, I'll catch these like rail lines. So I apologize if you can't see exactly what I'm doing. I will be able to switch over my camera for the next videos. So just getting that arch, then coming in, filling in with those rails on the second part, coming down and just continuing. I'll go ahead and catch each side. You can see how it really comes together. I always make a line after I do the 1/2 inch lines, a second line, because I really want it to look amazing. So anyway, this is the path that I've chosen, and it's gonna look pretty awesome. So just enjoy, and you'll do this all the way around each quadrant. So happy quilting. I really hope you enjoy it.